Roosevelt on Staten Island. Two owls speaking to each other on the winter solstice evening. Just at sunset. It's cold out. At least in the 20s, if not a little lower, 17. Doesn't get any better than this for the spirit, mind, and body. There's the sunset. It's amazing. Nothing can quite bring peace of mind and body and spirit as a moment like this. Brings the brain waves and the body rhythms to a slow pace. If you really fasted, it would really accelerate the process. I'm not sure what kind of owl that is. Probably a great horned owl. I'll have to put a picture in here to get an idea of what we're listening to. God's creation. Magnificent. To develop the higher consciousness, this is the first step. Get out into nature or on the beach, whatever's near you, the woods or the beach, whatever's available. And begin to develop the higher consciousness in you, and then you can bring it to the mankind and womankind around you. So if you have any comments, please share. I'm hoping to get in contact with people of like mind and like perceptions as we journey through this world and through this life. A lot of times not as pleasant as we would like, but it's moments like, there he goes flying. I don't know if you can see that. I didn't want to scare him away. Must have been close. I don't know if to pick that up. It really is magnificent and can be a lot better than it is if we understood the higher consciousness and perceptions and spiritual self within that God has endowed each one of us with, but which has been sort of ignored, or, well, yes, definitely ignored, and not taught and not promoted. So I'm trying to do that, trying to promote the higher consciousness in mankind.